All right, how's it going, everyone? Hopefully, you guys are doing a little better than us. You guys may have noticed there's a little issue with our Instagram account. Looks like we've been hacked. So, again, please do not answer any of the requests from our Instagram account for the moment. We will never ask of any favors of or any personal information of that sort ever. So, thank you all for notifying us as well. So keep your eyes open and yeah, do not answer any of those messages. We are in the works of getting the account back. Just take some time. So for the moment, just ignore our account, please. All right, welcome again. We will be doing break 559, a Breaker Boys player break. This is 10 mega blasters, which are the bigger and better version of the blaster boxes. 10 packs per box, 8 cards per pack, and one bonus die cut card with a 94-95 design. This is the 21-22 Series 1 product. 10 boxer. There we go. Good luck, everyone. And also, if you guys ever need to message us, just throw us a message on eBay and we'll be able to get to you there for all the Instagrammers. There's the bonus die cut pack. All right, good luck. Let's do this one first. Why not? This is the Mega Pack or Mega Blaster Special Pack. Oh, okay. Let's see. We have a Shane Pinto. I'm not sure what exactly is in here. I know the rookies are. So we have a Shane Pinto. Oh, nice. Trevor Zegras die cut. Ooh, we'll have a red parallel die cut of Drysdale. Nice. Again, these were the 94-95 design. Trevor Zegras, first pack, very nice. Okay, I thought there was just one card, but the bonus pack offers 3 cards. Extra bonus right there. All right. Okay, looks like an all base pack. No variation jerseys. Okay. All right, we have an electromagnetic of Gabe Velarde. All right, our first young gun, we have a Rasmus Kupari. Again, each box contains 2 young guns. Oh, nice. Second young gun of the box already. We have who? None other than Jeremy Swayman. You never know with these upper deck packaging. Maybe you can pull a third young gun. But the average is 2. Okay, it looks like we did. And you know what? It's a canvas version. Radim Zahorna, Young Gun Canvas. Very nice. Zahorna. Carolina, yeah, they're. Is it still 3-1 right now? What did they score? Okay. Is this a black? No, this is the regular one. Duncan Keith, canvas. Ooh, nice. We have a double hit pack, and it's not too bad. So these are the Blaster exclusives as well. We have a debut dates jersey. Again, only found in these products. So that's why we did this product. It's a little different from the regular hobby boxes. We have a nice debut dates jersey. So it's a rookie. Well, I guess sophomore. Alexi Lafreniere. Debut dates jersey. They do have patch versions, I think. But nice. Lafreniere. Oh, it's still 3-1. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Dazzlers of Brock Besser. We have a superstar. On roll, they call it. I kind of forgot already. Braden Point. And a regular debut dates of Dylan Cousins. Okay. Not a bad first box at all. A jersey, a canvas young gun, a Swayman, and a Zegras die cut already. Oh, actually, a really good box. All right. Oh, bam! Another Trevor Zegras die cut. We have a red. Nice. Oh, look at that. Cole Caufield. Double dip on the first pack with a parallel, red parallel, and the regular gold die cut. All right, we have an Electro Mag. Shea Theodore. All right. UD Portraits, Alex Barboulay. Young Guns, Wade Allison. Right. We have a Brock Besser honor roll. Okay. Canvas, Mitch Marner. How's this guy gonna do tonight? Will he be clutch? Everything's all in on this game, game 7. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, nice already. These jerseys they're not supposed to be that easy to hit, but 2 in 2 boxes. Wow. Might have to get more of this stuff. Okay, that's a double hit pack. Nice. Rantanen canvas. And a debut dates jersey of Peyton Krebs. We have a rookie retrospective of Keandre Miller. Okay, Young Guns, Kalen Edison. And a Jack Eichel honor roll. All right, that was nice. Let's say that's a good box. Okay, we have a Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen, Spencer Knight, and a Shane Pinto. No red parallels that pack, unfortunately. We have a Shifley honor roll. Okay, debut dates, Connor McMichael. Canvas of Atkinson. Oh, there we go. Young Guns, Kyle Burrows. Ah, nice. Dazzlers of Kaprizov. Hopefully he got some valued experience in the playoffs this year. Okay, wow. Doing great with the jerseys. First, we have a Brent Burns portraits. Debut days jersey. Pierre Olivier Joseph. Oh, there it is. Couldn't see it. All right, Braden Shen, canvas. Another young gun, Shane Pinto. Nando P, Mark Stone. Box number 4. Okay, well, look at this. Cole Caufield. That's the third one for him. Jamie Drysdale to go along with his red. And why not? Jeremy Swayman. These are nice looking cards. Of course, I remember the 94 originals. Exact same design. Very cool. Okay, we have a Marc-Andre Fleury honor roll. Young Guns, Jack Atkin. Mhm. Ah, the dreaded all base pack. Double check. Caufield. I don't think he has a parallel here. All base. And we have a rookie retrospective of Velarde. What? Back to back? Nice. Right, we have a young gun, Parker Kelly. Canvas, Brady Tkachuk. Oh, nice. Huh. Do you get a jersey card per box? I don't know. Let me see. Well, it doesn't say, but we're averaging one per box, which is great. I think the odds are a little higher than, definitely more than one per box. But Capo Kakinen, canvas. All right, debut dates. Jake Ottinger having a great postseason so far. Well, game 7 for him tonight as well. Matt Tkachuk, Hundo P. Hey, what's going on, Tim? Oh, Tim, yeah, you need this guy to show up tonight, huh? I mean, they should win. The Kings are not as good as the Oilers, definitely. Okay. Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen again. Spencer Knight. Shane Pinto, what the heck? That's a repeat pack of the other one. Those players will be getting 2 of each. And counting. Okay, we have a young gun. Philip Gustafson. Oh, is Draisaitl questionable? I didn't see the injury report. Man, gotta love playoff hockey. Everyone's laying it out on the line. Dano. Hundo P. Nenner. Beauty Portraits. Okay. Not too shabby. Joe Avellino. Young gun. Oh, maybe they're resting him. Game time decision, huh? All base. Well. Well, they looked like they were in trouble last game without Nurse pregame, but they pulled it off. So hopefully All goes well with the Oilers tonight. Josh Norris, electromagnetic. He's gonna play. I can't see him missing it. It's game 7. You lose, you have all summer. You win, you gotta suck it up some more. Nice. Kale McCarr on a roll. I have a feeling McCarr is gonna finish the playoffs as the point leader. Just a hunch. Oh, come on, all base. Yep. All right, Young Guns. Keaton Middleton. Young Gun. Wow. All right, box 5. Halfway through. Okay, not a bad trio. Caufield, Drysdale, and Swayman. Man, Edmonton's Oilers needed the secondary scoring, and man, they're smart. They took a chance on Kane. He's a hell of a hockey player. Just the stuff he does off the ice is a little questionable. Rated point. But yeah, they needed that secondary scoring, and he definitely was the answer. Is Evander Kane the missing link for the cup for the Oilers? He could be. All right, debut needs jersey. Nice. P.S. Suter. Yeah, I kind of wanted the Canucks to take a shot at him as well, but could be trouble. He's from Vancouver, so if anything else happens off the ice, man, not sure what would happen there. Jeremy Davies, young gun. But yeah, hopefully cleaned up his act a little, or a lot. Okay, nice. We have a Young Guns canvas. Philip Gustafson. Rookie retrospective, Capo Kakinen. Man, I would love to see another Day of the Cup here. Flashback version. Austin Matthews, portraits. I don't think it was much of a gamble. I mean, if it didn't pay off, they were paying him peanuts and they can just drop him from the team anyways. Brock Nelson. But yeah, the impact that he has had on the team this season, priceless. Lafreniere, debut dates. Young Guns, Garrett, Pilon. All right, no worries, Tim. Thanks for checking in and dropping by. And also, just I'm not sure if you already know, but our IG account got hacked, so don't answer any of the questions or whatever they're asking for. We're on the process of getting everything hopefully back. But for now, just ignore the account, please. Yep, no worries, Tim. All right. Hopefully we'll see you soon. All right. Die cut pack, we have Shane Pinto, Zegras, and Quinton Byfield Red Parallel. Nice. Dazzlers of Barzil. Brent Burns, Hundo P. All base pack. Okay, we have 3 boxes left, 2 Young Guns. I think there's 7 Young Guns left in this break. Still looking for one of the big names. All right, Studenich, or Studenich, Young Gun. I'm gonna pull a Swayman already, but wouldn't hurt to see a nice Zegras or Knight, Caufield, one of those guys. Okay, look at this. 3rd Canvas Young Gun. We have Jacob Bryson. Young Guns, Lane Peterson. We have a canvas of Matt Murray. Thanks a lot, Tim. Appreciate it. There's a couple of people that messaged us, but yeah, thanks, Tim. Hopefully, yeah, most of them didn't reply, thankfully. Nick Suzuki, Electromag. And we have a Jeremy Swayman honor roll. Rookie honor roll. 3 boxes left. 6 Young Guns remaining. All right. Quinton Byfield, Wade Allison, and Pekka Luukkonen. Die cut. SP die cut. Exclusively only on the Mega Blasters. John Carlson honor roll. We have a Roman Josi. Hundo P. Young Guns, Jeremy Davies. Okay, this guy's not too bad. Tanner Jeannot, Young Gun. canvas of Grubauer. Debut dates, Kia Suter. Wow. Boo. All base. Debut dates jersey after a canvas card. Kopitar canvas. And the debut dates. Wait a minute. Do we have one of these already? I think this guy might be double dipping. I think it's a different color swatch though. So whoever has Pierre Olivier Joseph, congrats. That's 2 jerseys, one of each, or different colors at least. Minor touching on the corners though. Young Guns, Garrett Pilon. Oh, second one for him too. Wow. Alrighty, 2 more. Let's see a top 5 Young Gun here. Alright, our trio. We have a Quentin Byfield, Wade Allison, and a Luukkonen. Young Guns, Joshua Dunn. Kaprizov, debut date. All base. Wow. Double. 2 packs in a row. Again. All base. Young Gun. We have Cole Lind. Of the Kraken. Right. On a roll. Brad Marchand. Of Gabe Vilardi. Rookie retrospective. Double hit pack. We have a Markstrom canvas. Vezina Trophy winner and calling it right now. And actually no, never mind. It's just Sturkin. Debut days jersey, Delandria. Young Guns, Daniel Walcott. All right, only 2 more Young Guns remaining. Oh. Okay, not bad. We have a red parallel of Spencer Knight, Caufield with another one, and Drysdale. Kyle Connor portraits. And why not? Debut dates jersey. First pack. Connor McMichael. Young Guns. Jacob Bryson. Great break for him. Has a canvas Young Gun as well. So that leaves only one Young Gun left. Who is it going to be? Brady Kachuk. Honor roll. All right, we have a debut dates. Tim Stutzler. We have a canvas of Alex Barkov. Rookie retrospective of Nedeljkovic. Three packs, one Young Gun remaining. Hopefully a second one. Oh, here it is. It's Daniel Walcott. Young Gun. Oh man, I really hope we can fit another one in here. Yeah, jeez. All these. No photo variations here. Last pack. Good luck all. Okay, well, we have another Young Gun canvas. Morgan Barron. Young Gun canvas. Alrighty, yeah, there's some value in this product, so might get some more. Stature, Upper Deck Stature is coming out on the 25th, so that's just around the corner. Keep an eye out for that. Then, yeah, the 25th of May is when it releases. Hopefully, it'll be on time. And again, thank you everyone for participating, and also, yeah, everyone with the IG account, if you guys are joining in late or just seeing this now, just our IG account, Instagram account has been hacked, so please ignore any messages for the time being. We are definitely trying to retrieve that account. So, yeah, apologize if they've been messaging you trying to get some information. Please do not answer. Yeah, we'll never ask you any personal questions or any favors of any sort. So again, please be careful with that. So on that note, again, we do appreciate all the bids and all that you guys do for us. So we'll see you guys next time, hopefully soon. Ciao for now.